What if I told you that one of the oldest diets in the world could actually help you live longer, keep your memory sharp, protect your heart, and even give you more energy in your golden years? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 7-day Mediterranean diet plan for seniors, your complete guide to healthy aging. This diet has been named the #1 healthiest diet in the world by nutrition experts year after year. It's not just a way of eating. It's a proven lifestyle that people in Greece, Italy, and Spain have followed for centuries. And guess what? These countries have some of the highest life expectancies in the world. If you're a senior or you're caring for an older loved one, stick around because I'll walk you step by step through the core principles of the Mediterranean diet, why it's so effective for seniors, a detailed 7-day meal plan with breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And finally, tips to make this lifestyle easy and sustainable. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share how to tailor this diet if you have conditions like diabetes, arthritis, or high blood pressure. Section 1. Understanding the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet isn't about restriction. It's about balance, freshness, and enjoyment. Unlike strict fad diets, it doesn't cut out food groups. Instead, it focuses on whole, natural, nutrient-rich foods. Here's what makes it unique. Plant-based foundation. Most meals are built around vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. These foods are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that fight disease and improve digestion. Healthy fats, not unhealthy fats. Olive oil, nuts, and seeds replace butter and processed oils. These healthy fats protect your heart and joints, which is critical for seniors. Lean proteins. Instead of relying on heavy red meat, this diet emphasizes fish, poultry, and plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. Dairy in moderation. Yogurt and cheese are included, but in smaller portions, giving calcium and probiotics for bone and gut health. Limited sweets and processed foods, sugar, sodas, and packaged snacks are kept minimal, which reduces inflammation and protects against diabetes. Lifestyle factor. In the Mediterranean, meals are more than fuel. They're social experiences shared with family and friends, combined with light daily activity. This creates a holistic approach to health. For seniors, this balance helps maintain weight, strengthens immunity, and provides the nutrients the body needs to stay active and independent. Section 2. Benefits of the Mediterranean diet for seniors. So why is this diet especially powerful for older adults? Let's break it down. 1. Heart health and circulation. Seniors are more vulnerable to heart disease, but the Mediterranean diet is rich in omega-3 fatty acids from fish, nuts, and olive oil. These healthy fats lower cholesterol, improve circulation, and reduce the risk of stroke. 2. Cognitive function and memory. Studies show that seniors who follow the Mediterranean diet have a lower risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. Why? The antioxidants in vegetables and the healthy fats from olive oil protect brain cells from aging. 3. Joint and bone support. Olive oil, leafy greens, and fish contain anti-inflammatory nutrients that ease arthritis pain and keep bones strong. This is essential for seniors who want to stay mobile and avoid fractures. 4. Better digestion and weight control. The high fiber content keeps digestion smooth, prevents constipation, and helps maintain a healthy weight without starving yourself. 5. Longevity and quality of life. Perhaps the most inspiring benefit is longevity. People living around the Mediterranean are not only living longer, but they're living better, staying active well into their 80s and 90s. Section 3. The 7-day Mediterranean meal plan. Now let's get practical. Here's a full 7-day Mediterranean diet meal plan tailored for seniors. Day 1. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with berries, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Lunch. Lentil and vegetable soup with whole grain bread. Dinner, grilled salmon with roasted zucchini, peppers, and sweet potatoes. Snack, a handful of almonds. Day 2. Breakfast, oatmeal topped with apples, cinnamon, and walnuts. Lunch, quinoa salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, chickpeas, and feta. Dinner, baked chicken with spinach sautéed in garlic and olive oil. Snack, carrot sticks with hummus. White heavy checkmark. Day 3. Breakfast, avocado toast on whole grain bread with tomato slices. Lunch, Mediterranean tuna salad with olive oil dressing. Dinner, eggplant parmesan with a side of mixed greens. Snack, fresh grapes or an orange. Day 4. Breakfast, smoothie with banana, spinach, flaxseed, and almond milk. Lunch, whole wheat pita stuffed with grilled veggies and hummus. Dinner, grilled shrimp with brown rice and steamed broccoli. Snack, walnuts or pistachios. Day 5. Breakfast, cottage cheese with sliced peaches and sunflower seeds. Lunch, tomato and basil soup with whole grain crackers. Dinner, chicken souvlaki with a Greek salad, cucumber, tomato, feta, olives. Snack, a piece of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa. Day 6. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and feta cheese. Lunch, whole grain pasta tossed with olive oil, garlic, and cherry tomatoes. Dinner, grilled sardines with roasted potatoes and asparagus. Snack, mixed nuts. Day 7. Breakfast, whole grain pancakes with blueberries and Greek yogurt. Lunch, falafel wrap with tzatziki and mixed greens. Dinner, baked cod with lemon, olive oil, and roasted vegetables. Snack, apple slices with almond butter. Every meal is simple, nutrient-packed, and easy to prepare. Plus, it's designed to give seniors steady energy throughout the day without heavy digestion. Section 4. Tips for seniors to adopt the Mediterranean diet. Switching to this diet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here are practical tips to succeed. Start with small swaps. Replace butter with olive oil, white bread with whole grain, soda with herbal tea. Shop smart. Visit local farmers' markets for fresh, seasonal produce. Cook in batches. Prepare soups, grains, and proteins ahead of time to save energy. Stay hydrated. Seniors sometimes forget to drink water. Keep a bottle handy and infuse it with lemon or cucumber for flavor. Move daily. Light walking or stretching pairs perfectly with the diet. Remember, it's not just what you eat, but also how you live. Eat socially. Invite family or friends. Sharing meals reduces loneliness and boosts mental health. Call to action. The Mediterranean diet is more than just food. It's a blueprint for living longer, stronger, and healthier. By following this 7-day Mediterranean diet plan for seniors, you'll nourish your body, protect your heart and brain, and make mealtime something to look forward to every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Comment below. Which Mediterranean recipe are you most excited to try first? Remember, aging doesn't mean slowing down. With the right food and lifestyle, your best years can still be ahead of you. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and I'll see you in the next video.